And for the life of me, I couldn't figure out how this decluttering thing would work virtually. But what I've come to realize, again, what works for me is I don't need for you to actually be with me in my space. I find just having you virtually support me is enough for me to, get going. It's just been good. So, but I really, you are definitely onto something with your, and I know there are a lot of um, people in the organizing world, but um, in my humble opinion, there's something very unique about your skill and what you bring to the table. And just just keep on, And once I'm able to clear out all of my stuff, I will be your biggest fan because you're on to something. I know that, and there are a lot of women, nobody's maybe saying anything, a lot of, professionals that could benefit